everyone, Jim Baugh here at Jasper Engines and Transmissions. And in this episode, I'm joined by Matt Dieter. Now, Matt is a corporate engineer with Jasper's product development team, and today we're going to talk about the test equipment that's fabricated here for use in our production areas. We are standing in the production support room of Jasper's corporate headquarters. And Matt, when it comes to equipment to be used down in production for a specific test, obviously Jasper can't just run down to the store and pick up a piece of equipment. You and your department's role when it comes to equipment development and fabrication is very important.
Yeah, absolutely. So while a lot of internal components in an engine or transmission can be measured with hand tools like a caliper or a micrometer, there comes a time when a piece of equipment is necessary to measure to make sure that a part is in spec. Generally things that are more complicated, solenoids and things like that.
Now, your department's handiwork is very evident in all areas of Jasper's remanufacturing facilities. Can you highlight on a couple of pieces that have been developed up here?
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll test everything as simple and small as valve springs or piston oilers, more complicated parts like transmission control modules or valve body clearances, all the way up to the responsibility over the transmission dynos and the gas test stands that run all of our products before they leave our facilities.
Now, you yourself have been working on this piece of equipment here. What is this eventually going to be used down in production for?
So this will be used to test transmission solenoids. In our previous iterations, we only ran fluid through them forwards, i.e. the way that it would operate in a transmission in a vehicle. However, we've learned through the years with previous products that if we can run fluid through them backwards as well as forward, we'll not only purge the air out, which gives us a more reliable and repeatable test, but it also means that it can push any debris or anything that might be in those solenoids from the transmission's previous life.
Matt, with all of the test equipment developed here in the production support area, how do these components add value to the Jasper customer?
Well, so what these components allow us to do is to test to make sure that those parts are within specifications or operating correctly. That allows us to lower our part costs and pass that savings on to the consumer while ensuring that they're going to have a vehicle or transmission that operates correctly and has a good life.
Well, if you'd like to learn more information about the remanufactured products of Jasper Engines and Transmissions, there's a couple ways for you to do that. You can either look us up on the web at www.jasperengines.com or give us a call, 800-827-7455. And that's all the time we have for this episode. For Matt Dieter, I'm Jim Baugh. We'll see you next time.